Hi guys, I'm Yalda. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to installing the ECS tuning street shield on my 2017 Audi A4 at my body at this garage. As you can see here, my car is inside, and also this is my friend's S5. I'm going to film this happy straight vibe in next video, I think. And so the car is in the air right now, and let me show you the underground. This shield is already on. We installed it before, and also this terminal one from the ECS tuning. They said this one will also fit to the A4, but when we installed this one, we found out this one is not perfectly to the A4. First problem is these two holes. It doesn't go here. It should be both onto here. And also another problem is this piece. Exhaust will be touching to this shield, and it's really noisy and shaking your car. So my body cut this piece off, and then we didn't use these two bolts because there is no way to bolt them on, and that's the only two problems. But this one is perfect to fit on. And also here, as you can see, this brass is also from ECS tuning. It looks much better than this stock and also stiffer. Now we are going to installing this one, which this will be protect the transmission. As you can see here, already have some scratches. After we change it, this aluminum will be protected. Same with this one, it's much stronger and looks much nicer. That's the one we are going to install. These are all of the bolts you need. So right now it is all done, as you can see, this one, and everything went all right. Only hard part is you have to drill these two holes to a little bit bigger, so that's the hardest one we went to. Everything else was pretty straightforward. And by the way, lots of you guys asking how to improve the shifting. You can get this transmission inserts from 034. After you install this, you will feel the differences. And if you want to smoother shifting, there is also another insert above there. You also can get that one as well. So this is it. How do you guys think those new shields? It's much better than all of those plastic from the stock. And this will be end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. And please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram as well. Thank you for watching. I will see you next video.